Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we've got for you today is a rather small pen haul. I went pen hunting recently. Although it's small, there's a couple of interesting pens here. As always, a lot of them will be available, so if it's of interest, you know what to do, get in touch below. Before I go into the pens, I've noticed that there's not a lot of people are leaving comments nowadays, so I'm thinking, why is that? Are people getting fed up with my videos? Don't they like them? It'd be interesting to know, so please don't be shy. Leave a comment down below. Also, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and maybe if you don't enjoy it, give me a thumbs down. It all helps me to know whether, you know, people are getting fed up with the videos. Is it time to stop doing them? I don't know. But yeah, I'm just a little bit concerned there's not as many comments lately. So yeah, any sort of constructive criticism, leave a comment down below. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we've got. We've got a Parker pen here. Well, there you go. First one out of the box. We know what it is. Oh, say nothing. Could it be? Could it be? Oh, no. Right, what we've got is a Parker. Is it a Dufold, a Junior? I'm not quite sure. There you go. You people can see it there. Hopefully a little bit better than I can. But whatever it is, they make great everyday writer pens. So if of interest, get in touch. Another one. Right, this one, little bit interesting. Okay, what it is a Parker 65. Lovely pens. It's the flighter version. But what it's actually got, the inscription. I actually bought, there's 2 or 3 pens that I bought from the same person. And they had sort of quite interesting inscriptions. Let's have a look if I can show it to you. Okay, so this one says Central Bank of Egypt, guaranteed by, is it GODF? And then underneath it says US dollars, 250 million. Hey! Okay, so has somebody got this pen because he's got a lot of money in the bank, or I don't know, did something happen of that particular period? And I don't know, very interesting. So yeah, Bank of Egypt, anybody know why? Let me know. Okay, another Parker. We open it up. There we go. We've got a Parker Sonnet, again a flighter version. Okay, nice condition. This one's actually got a stub nib. I don't know if you can actually see it there. But yeah, quite unusual to get a Parker Sonnet. As I say, you can see the S there, which tells us it's a stub nib. So let's pop that to one side. Another Parker box, as you can see here. What's this one? Looks like a Parker. Is it a Parker 61? Yeah, there you go. The usual sort of not damage, but shrinkage and deterioration. So yeah, a parts pen again. And then we've got these 2 pens here. Okay, you can see what this one is. Montblanc. Let's show you the back one first. Let's open it up. So this one, look at that. See, Montblanc Noblesse. Okay, it's got cartridge, well, it's got converter. There we go. This one's also the flighter version. And once again, an interesting, this is one of the sort of the job lots that I bought from the same, whether he was a banker or something, I don't know. But this one reads Republic of Argentina, and then US dollars, 250 million, March 1980. Now, I've just Googled it, and I know at that time, Argentina, they were actually going through some financial problems of that period. So this, may be related to that. How it's related, I've no idea. But, yeah, the lovely gold nib there, as you can see. So, I know there's some people that don't mind sort of the interesting, sort of imprints, if you like, and, they're quite happy with that. So, yeah, if you're interested, get in touch. Oops, let's put that to one side. And last but not least, from the box version, look at that. Yet another one. A Montblanc Noblesse. Still got a sticker, medium sticker. On this one, yet again, it says Cogasco SA. Now, is that Saudi Arabia or South Africa? Again, I don't know. And it says US dollars 875 million. So what is that all about? Does anybody know? Anybody know? Leave us a comment below. Help us out. But apart from that, a gorgeous pen once again. Gold nib, as you can see. Cartridge converter. There we go. It's got the converter inside there. You can see we've got a couple of cartridges as well. But, yeah, interesting. It's still got the medium sticker there. So, in lovely, lovely condition. So, a Montblanc Noblesse. I know these people like these pens as well. I think I had one recently, which was snapped up. So, if it's of interest, you know what to do. Down below, get in touch. Right, so they were the box ones, and these are the loose ones. Let's go straight to the back. I can see that one. There we go. A black 51. In fact, it's actually nice condition, this one. Nice gold cap on it, or the gold fill cap. So, there's people I know that like the 51s. I do get emails now and again from people who say to me, Steph, do you have a Parker 51 available? And I say, yes, what colour? Because I've got quite a few now sat in a drawer. So there we go. We've got a nice Parker. Is it a pencil? Yep, working order. Burgundy. Lovely condition. So we've got a Parker pencil. I think we've got another one somewhere. There we go. Another one. I think that's a ballpoint. So matching with the other one, maybe pencil and ballpoint. Okay, anybody wants to make up a set, maybe. We've got this lovely pen as well. Is it a Summit? Yeah, it's a Summit. I can't quite read it over the camera. Is it the 100? Lovely pens. There we go. I think it's got the correct nib there. Giving it a polish. That'll come up lovely. And that'll make a great everyday writer pen. So very nice indeed. This one's a nice one as well. If I just show you the cap band there. And it says Yves Saint Laurent. Very nice indeed. So it's a sort of, it's a slim lacquered fountain pen. There we go. And it's got the Yves Saint Laurent nib, solid gold. Is it the 18 karat gold on this one? Once again, I can't see, but yeah, it's a gold nib. Very nice indeed. So this slim lacquered pen. These lovely bands to the top there. Just give it a little bit of a clean. Doesn't need a great deal, but a lovely pen. There we go. That's a nice little pencil. And somewhere, there we go. You'll see it says Eversharp, made in USA. It's got this, it's faceted, as you can see there. Okay, now I know this people, now I forget the model of this particular pencil, or you know, the pen, but it's a matching pencil to a pen. It's sort of these browns, gold, and sort of flashes of green here and there. So I'm sure there's people that collect these Eversharp pencils as well. Right, a nice Parker. Is it a do-fold? There we go. Is it the do-fold? Or is it a junior? Looks like maybe a junior. Correct nib as well. Aerometric filler. Clean up. Once again, they make great everyday writer pens. Okay, what we got here? Is this a Parker 61? Yes, it is. So I've got Parker 61. Yep, with the aerometric filler. Actually, this may be with the ballpoint and the pencil. This may be the set. So anybody interested in it, you know what to do. Get in touch. This one, you know, some people know that I'm not a pencil collector, but I do pick them up now and again. But this one, look at that, it's solid silver. It's got the hallmarks there. There's no maker's mark, but it's a lovely, it's quite a chunky pencil. Is it in working condition? Not too sure. We'll have to look at it. But yeah, fully hallmarked, lovely condition, as you can see. And again, it's very similar to the sort of large yard of lead I had not long ago. It's a heavy pencil, and as I say, sort of slightly chunkier than the yard of leads, but very nice indeed. To the back here, here we go. We've got a sterling silver Sheaffer. There you go. You can see the hallmarks there. So we've got a sterling silver Sheaffer Tiger with a gorgeous inlaid nib, as you can see there, and the black ends there. And again with the correct Sheaffer aerometric filler. So we'll just clean that, you know, clean everywhere internally, and that is a lovely pen. As I say, sterling silver, hallmarked. So where are you Sheaffer Tiger collectors out there? Now this is one of the nicer ones as well, although it's quite worn here and there. But what we've got, if I just undo this for you, there we go. We've got a button filler. I think this is a Parker Do-Fold. There you go. The New Haven nib by the looks of it. So once restored, that'll make a lovely pen in this brown, black marbling. Very nice indeed. And another Parker. You can see we've got a gold pearl Parker. And if I show you the barrel imprint, if I can find it somewhere. There we go. We've got a lovely Parker Vacuumatic in very nice condition. It's got the correct nib. This will just need, we'll do a service, clean it all up, and that's a very nice pen indeed. Okay. Underneath here we've got a Conway Stewart. Which model is it? Let me just check. It's a 479. It's got, all right, the nib, has it got the correct nib? It's a Conway Stewart nib, but has somebody pushed it in too far? I'm not sure, but we'll take a look at it. We'll restore it, clean it, And once again, that'll make a very nice pen indeed. And lastly, I bought, oh, there's one underneath here. Okay, a grey pencil. There we go, look at that, in working order. Let's pop the lead back in. And this one, if you can see there, is a Wyvern. And I think it's the, is it the 808? Let me have a look. Wyvern 808. Okay, so there's the barrel imprint. So very nice indeed. I've got a gentleman that likes grey pens and pencils. Maybe he'll be interested in this one. He knows what to do. He always gets in touch if he sees something that he actually likes. So there we have it, a nice Wyvern. And then this little bag came along, and it looks like somebody has been sort of started to restore or whatever. If we can just pull them out. Whoops-a-daisy. So look at that. We've got a nice Parker Vacuumatic. There you go. Barrel imprint. It's got the correct nib. Nickel trim. It's quite, look, you can see it's transparent. Whether I can make that even nicer, but it's a nice chunky pen. And like I say, he's just sort of half started it. Well, let's leave it at that. You can see it's got the touchdown filler that goes inside there. It's got the blind cap with it. Okay, so it's not the touchdown, should I say. This is actually the earlier version Vacuumatic with the I forgot what you call it. You actually push it down and it locks in, the lockdown filler. So it's the earlier version, the lockdown filler. Once we've put a new diaphragm on it, giving it a little bit of a clean up, that'll be a gorgeous pen. And then the last but not least, we've got this one. Okay, this is a Conway Stewart Executive 60. It's got the large Joro nib, as you can see there. Once again, whether they've actually, I don't know, have they put a new sack in it? Feels a bit stiff, so what we'll do, either way, I always take my pens apart, make sure everything's correct inside and everything's clean. It's actually in nice condition. The only problem, the imprint is faint. We can just about make the Executive 60, but yeah, it's a Conway Stewart Executive 60 in very nice condition. And once we've restored it, it'll make a lovely, lovely pen. And there was also a little cap inside. Sometimes these caps come in handy if we need one. But that's it. Okay, so don't forget what I said earlier on in the video about, you know, leaving comments, giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But I hope you've enjoyed looking at these pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Just for now, I'm going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and these lovely pens, bye-bye for now.